He did not come from a traditional path into acting, yet there was always a strong sense of direction in the way he carried himself. With a commanding presence, disciplined mindset, and unmistakable confidence, Yaman has become one of the most talked-about figures to emerge from Turkish television, known for building his career through ambition, structure, and calculated risk. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Yaman was born on November 8, 1989, in Istanbul, Turkey. His upbringing placed a strong emphasis on education and independence. He attended the Italian high school in Istanbul, where he developed fluency in multiple languages and a global outlook that would later influence his career choices. He went on to graduate from Yeditepe University's Faculty of Law, earning a law degree before ever stepping into the entertainment industry. Before acting became his profession, Ken explored various interests, including sports, fitness, and modeling. These experiences shaped both his physical discipline and mental resilience. Although law offered a stable career path, his growing interest in performance and self-expression eventually led him to acting training and auditions. His early acting years were marked by supporting roles that allowed him to learn the craft gradually. Appearances in series such as Gönül İşleri helped introduce him to audiences, but his true potential became evident as he gained confidence and screen control. The shift from background roles to leading man came with deliberate preparation rather than sudden exposure. His breakthrough arrived with romantic comedy projects that highlighted his charisma and screen chemistry. Performances in Dalyanay and later Erkan Meric brought him widespread recognition, with Erkan Meric in particular turning him into an international name. The success of the series extended far beyond Turkey, opening doors to global audiences and international media attention. Rather than remaining within familiar territory, Ken chose to expand his career beyond national borders. He made the bold decision to work in European productions, taking on leading roles in Italian television. Projects such as Viola cum il Mare demonstrated his adaptability, language skills, and willingness to step into unfamiliar creative environments. By 2026, Yaman is regarded as a transnational actor whose career bridges Turkish and European entertainment industries. His choices reflect a long-term vision focused on growth, versatility, and international credibility rather than short-lived popularity. Off-screen, his lifestyle reflects intensity and structure. He maintains strict fitness routines, values self-discipline, and invests time in personal development. While his public image is confident and outspoken, he also shows a thoughtful side through interviews and reflections on ambition, responsibility, and self-control. Fashion and physical presentation play an important role in his identity. Known for confident and assertive style choices, he frequently appears at international fashion events and campaigns. His appearance reinforces the strength and determination associated with his screen persona. Despite constant media interest in his personal life, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently redirects attention toward professional goals and future projects. Within the industry, he is often described as driven, focused, and unwilling to settle for comfort. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects steady success across television, international productions, endorsements, and brand partnerships. More importantly, he has built a reputation for ambition and resilience in an industry that demands constant reinvention. What many may overlook is the calculated nature of his rise. Every transition, from law to acting, from local fame to international projects, reflects intention rather than impulse. This mindset continues to shape his evolving career. Yaman's journey is defined by expansion and self-determination. From a law graduate to an internationally recognized actor, his rise reflects discipline, courage, and a relentless drive to move forward. As he continues his path in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern stardom shaped by ambition and global vision. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He doesn't chase the spotlight, he lets consistency pull it toward him. Erkan Meric is one of those rare actors whose journey is built on patience, discipline, and quiet determination rather than overnight fame. Born on July 26, 1986 in Adana, Turkey, Erkan Meric began his professional life in the world of modeling. With striking features and a composed presence, he quickly stood out, but acting was always the long-term goal. Instead of rushing into stardom, he invested time in learning the craft, focusing on control, emotional depth, and realism. His turning point arrived with the daily drama, Adini Sun Koy. As Omar Karimov, Erkan became a familiar face not only in Turkey, but across international audiences. What made his performance memorable was subtlety, restrained emotions, meaningful pauses, and an ability to convey intensity without excess. The show's long run allowed viewers to grow with his character, cementing his popularity. Rather than staying locked into one formula, Erkan made a conscious shift after his breakthrough. He chose roles carefully, aiming for growth over visibility. This decision led him into historical drama with Destan, where he demonstrated physical strength, authority, and emotional balance, proving he could adapt to demanding genres with ease. By 2026, Erkan Meric stands as a mature and respected figure in Turkish television. His acting style remains grounded and authentic, favoring realism over theatrics. He is known for letting expressions speak louder than dialogue, a trait that sets him apart in an industry often driven by exaggeration. Away from the camera, Erkan maintains a private and disciplined lifestyle. He avoids unnecessary controversy, focusing instead on fitness, personal growth, and professional stability. This balance has helped him sustain a clean, consistent public image over the years. Financially, his long-running television projects, brand collaborations, and earlier modeling work have built a stable and respectable net worth by 2026. His lifestyle reflects control and comfort rather than excess. Erkan Meric's story is not about instant fame. It's about endurance, about choosing the long road, trusting the process, and allowing talent to mature with time. This is Erkan Meric, calm, composed, and quietly powerful. For more refined celebrity stories and meaningful journeys, stay connected with EvaDoc.